overcome this evil system. First verse. Bamboo comes with revolution. Babylonian, they kill him down, yeah. Marcus Garvey comes with salvation. Babylonian, they run him from. I hear you, come on. No good down there in Babylon. No good down there. No good down there. What do you say? No good down there. Take it away. O Most High, be gracious unto I and open the portal of abundance, O Most High. Africa must be free. Take it away. Hit me. Rastafari. Yeah, man, bless each and every one heart, you know, and soul within this time. This moment is a precious moment in time. Well, you know, we just had the two songs. I don't know enough artists there. Yeah, man. So this one is called Run With The Negative. See? Kick it! 1, 2, 3, force mentality now. Go work out now. Purge yourself and be clean in his righteousness. No school, what do you say? Come on. Don't let the force of negative energy from. Hey, Mr. Kuhle. Hey, hey. Don't let the force of negative energy from. Don't let the force of negative. Kush Mcanuff, and this is the lights. You're in tune to the lights. Glorious is the night that walking out in the coast of the unholy. Now standing in beds of sinners. Now sitting in the seat of the scornful. I and I light is in the law of the Most High. In this garden, I and I meditate day and night. I and I should be like a tree planted by the rivers of water. That bringeth forth fruit in I and I season. Also shall not wither, and whatsoever each and every one here do it shall prosper. Beyond all you're not so, but like a shark which will wind drive it away. Therefore the unholy shall not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the congregation of the righteous. For the Most High Emperor Ali Selassie the first and Empress within, two men and I, know the way of the righteous, but the way of the unholy shall perish. Yeah.
Black tie roots.
Yeah, we give thanks, we give thanks. Alright.
Request.
Alright.
Request, the brightest light. How are you doing, man?
Alright, so, you know, so we are connected to the heartbeat, see? So, everyone, make a hold it from the heart now, see it? Celestial, calling on all I and I ancestors to come forward and strengthen I and I in this Iowa. Strength and power to each and every one. Grant unto I and I length of days, O the Most High. Jah Rastafari. The brightest light shines from within. The brightest light hides from within. The brightest light shines from the east. Rise from the east, where the brightest light shines from within. The brightest light hides from within. The brightest light shines from the east, rise from the east, where them can't see this, them want see this. Them can't see this, them want see this. Them can't see this, them want see this.
Them can't see this, them want see this.
Babylon, them can't see this, them want see this. Hey, them can't see this, them want see this. Them can't see this, them are nastiness. Them can't see this, them want see this. I and I live on the brighter side of life, think on the brighter side of life, eat on the brighter side of life, we drink on the brighter side of life, smoke on the brighter side of life, ice on the brighter side of life, love on the brighter side of life. His imperial majesty is the Most High. The brightest light shines from within. The brightest light hides from within. The brightest light shines from the east. east, from the east. Rastafari, I am Kush Mcanuff. Big up yourself, Bob Marley, please.
Selassie.